guys, welcome back to Next Techies. So today we are going to dive into a program that is specifically designed for women engineers of first year. This program has been designed to provide women engineers with mentorship, scholarships, and hands-on training, and also to increase women participation in STEM. And to help us better understand this program, we have with us Sakshi Soni today. She is a 2024 Google V Scholar. I welcome you, Sakshi, to Next Techies. Could we start with a short introduction from you?
Yeah, hello Shreyadi and hello everyone. Thank you so much for having me here. My name is Sakshi Soni and I am currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science at Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. I am in my second year and I was fortunate enough to be selected for the WE program by Talent Sprint supported by Google during my first year. So I'm really excited to share my journey with you all today and answer all your questions. So let's dive right in.
Yeah, so thank you, Sakshi, for joining in today. Let's start with the basics. So, how did you hear about this Google V Scholar program and what this program is all about?
Okay, so I got to know about this program through my seniors. Like when I was joining college, so a senior formed the group and she told that this program would be really helpful if you get selected into it. So that's how I got to know about it. And then I researched and exam applications kab open hote and all that thing. So the program is supported by Google. That is a big thing, and it is an incredible opportunity for the first year female students. It's a 2 year mentorship program and also offers you a scholarship worth rupees 1 lakh. It focuses on preparing world-class women engineers. This program has enhanced my corporate and technical skills as well. Regular classes hoti hai hamari and we are taught about technical stuff and also corporate things. It prepares us for the professional environment we'll be facing after 2 or 3 years. There are many perks also. As one, I would say that we had a 3 week long boot camp in Hyderabad in June. It was an incredible thing. I enjoyed a lot. We also had a chance to visit Google office at that time. Also, in October, we had immersion week in which we had chance to we had daily meets with from the techies working in Google. So it is wonderful if you prepare for it and get selected into it.
Okay, so I think you have very well covered up all the benefits of this program because it is supported by Google, which is one of
Yeah.
the top product companies. So now diving to the eligibility criteria. So I mean, who all are eligible to apply for this opportunity, and what does the application form focus on?
Okay, so this is open to first year women engineering students, and the applications open usually around late December. It is for the students whose branch is like computer science, electronics, electrical, and also math and equivalent branches. The eligibility criteria is that you should have above 70% marks in your 10th and 12th class, and there is a 4 step long process for selection, and there are almost 200 selected students at the end.
So these 200 students selected at the end are like from a particular college, or is it from like across India?
No, 200 students are selected across India. In my time, there was around 40,000 applications for this program, and 220 students got selected out of it.
That's a huge number of applications.
Yeah.
So I mean, many students are eyeing for this opportunity. Okay.
Yeah, it's a wonderful opportunity.
So how does the application process look like? I mean, does it include essays or I mean only resume submission, or how is that?
Okay, so there was a 4 step long process, and किसी भी step में we were not asked for a resume. They just want to know that you are curious enough to learn new things. Uh, First, we had a registration, and I guess जो register करेगा, all will have a chance to appear for aptitude test, which is the first round.
Okay.
And when you clear the aptitude test, you get mail for the other round, the second round, which is coding round. In that you have to write the questions, codes, and MCQ also for the output. And after that, there's a language test in which they just want to know that if you can communicate in English or not, because all the classes are held in English only. And the fourth round was the interview. It was behavioral plus technical interview.
Okay. So, is prior experience in coding or tech projects a necessary factor to be able to apply for this program, or that has a little less weightage?
Actually, we were not asked for resume at any level. So मैंने भी कोई project नहीं बनाया था तब तक. I didn't even know how to make one. I just heard of web development, machine development, and all of these things. Yeah, coding is necessary because in your second round it is totally coding. So just pick one language and to solve questions in that language only.
Okay. Some common mistakes that applicants can avoid in their application.
So I would say that start coding as soon as possible and don't feel overwhelmed कि 4 stage long process है. Do not overcomplicate things. Just move step by step. अगर आपका पहला round है अभी तो focus on that only. वो clear हो जाए then move towards next. It is just like first opportunity, first year. उसके बाद भी काफ़ी आएंगी. Second year you have Google Step, over C++. There are so many things. So do your best and whatever happens, just accept it and move on.
Yeah, I think one of the perks of Google V Scholar program is that you can directly interview at Google in
Yeah.
your later year of college. So I think I mean, like Sakshi mentioned, this is a very important point, that don't feel overwhelmed by the whole process, rather than taking a burden of all the steps in this process. You can focus on one step at a time and then proceed.
Yeah.
Because first year students will kind of get afraid, or they will panic a little, because they are not very aware of how things work. So that is something you can keep in your mind. Moving on to the DSA preparation, what platforms or resources would you recommend our applicants to use for solving coding challenges or practicing?
Okay, so when you are new to coding, if you are new to coding and you know very basics, so I would say just start with HackerRank or GFG. GFG पे बहुत easy level questions होते हैं. It is simply for understanding the concept. ऐसे भी questions होते हैं काफ़ी easy, तो उनसे आपको concept समझ आएगा. And once you are okay with it, move to LeetCode. Solve questions on LeetCode. Easy से start करो, then move towards medium. एंड मेक इट अ हैबिट कि आप रोज एटलीस्ट एक लीड कोड का क्वेश्चन सोल्व कर रहे हो. धीरे धीरे सीखो एंड जस्ट ट्राई अप्लाइंग द कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन द क्वेश्चंस. तो स्टार्ट करो, एक क्वेश्चन रोज सोल्व करो एटलीस्ट, देन मूव टुवर्ड्स 2 और 3. मेक इट अ हैबिट बेसिकली, ताकि
Okay.
आप उस चीज़ से कनेक्टेड रहो.
बेसिकली कोडिंग रोज़ हमें करनी है, चाहे हम एक
हम्म.
क्वेश्चन करें या 5 करें, बट
हम्म.
हैबिट में ये होना चाहिए कि एक क्वेश्चन हम कर ही रहे हैं, ताकि हम मतलब कंसेप्ट को ग्रास्प कर सकें. और जैसे
Yeah.
जैसे लाइक
वो
साक्षी
है.
मेंशन कि आपके कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर होते जाते हैं, आप लीड कोड के मीडियम लेवल पे भी जा सकते हो, हार्ड लेवल पे भी जा सकते हो. यू कैन इवन ट्राई कोड फोर्सेज, अगर आपको आगे मतलब कंटेस्ट भी होते हैं, लीड कोड पे भी होते हैं, कोड फोर्सेज पे भी होते हैं, तो यू कैन गिव दोज ऑल्सो. बट स्टार्टिंग पे लाइक साक्षी मेंशन, गो अहेड विद GFG, हैकर रैंक और लीड कोड के ईजी लेवल क्वेश्चंस. Right. So let's talk about the interviews. So how many rounds did you go through?
So इंटरव्यू से पहले there were 3 rounds as I mentioned, aptitude, coding and language test. उसके बाद इंटरव्यू था. It was a behavioral interview as well, technical, because I was asked 2 questions to code इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे. I had to share my screen and code questions. और उसके अलावा I was asked that what do I know about this program, introduce yourself and what do you expect from it, will you be able to give time to it and everything. I would say they just want to know that if you are motivated or disciplined enough so that you can give this course time.
So basically, they want to know if you are open to learning and explore
Exactly.
different technologies and all the trainings that they give in their sessions. Because
Yeah.
from what I have heard, they have sessions, and that is, I think, 4 o'clock in the morning or something like that.
Yeah, we had sessions from 5 to 7 in the morning, but अभी second year में आके these are from 7:30 to 9:30 in the evening. So
Okay.
it requires discipline and enthusiasm to learn.
Yeah, I mean, waking up early for a session can be a little tough. That
Yeah.
is for sure. Right. So, all the HR questions were also covered in this one interview that Google V Scholar program has. Right. How did you plan your study schedule, or your coding schedule for this opportunity, and also how do you suggest students to allocate time for preparing, and like which areas should they focus on the most?
Okay, so the area on which they should focus the most, मतलब in my time also ऐसा हुआ था कि most of the students were not accepted after the second round, the coding round. It is the toughest round uh, uh, चारों में से. तो yeah, I would say the start coding today, do it daily. Just even if you do one question, you should do it daily. It is the toughest round and it is not that tough, I would say, but yeah, it requires a little preparation. Aptitude आपका हो जाएगा if you solve questions online, चार पांच questions on a topic, but yeah, coding you should do daily अभी से.
बेसिकली आप मतलब अभी से स्टार्ट करोगे तो आपको
हम्म.
जो भी आप लैंग्वेज सेलेक्ट करो, यू आइदर यू गो हेड विद C++, जावा, पाइथन, डजेंट मैटर, किसी भी लैंग्वेज में आप करो, बट द पॉइंट इज़ टू स्टार्ट कोडिंग, बिकॉज इवन इफ मतलब इन केस यू डू नॉट मेक इट हियर, आपको आगे डेफिनेटली वो हेल्प करेगा, बिकॉज देर आर सो मेनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर सेकेंड ईयर्स एंड
Yeah.
थर्ड ईयर्स. मतलब बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आती है, ऑन कैंपस आती है, ऑफ कैंपस आती है, तो डेफिनेटली वो आपको वहाँ पे आगे हेल्प करेगा. तो वॉट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ टू
Coding.
start coding and be consistent with that skill of yours. Okay, so before we wrap up, do you have any final advice for students who are aiming to secure this V Scholar program?
I would say that this is just the beginning. Do your best and move ahead.
Cool. So thank you, Sakshi, for sharing your insights, and I am sure viewers will find this very helpful. जितने भी हमारे women applicants हैं, I mean they will really find this helpful, because this is their time to level up their coding skills and shine in the tech world. So all the best to all the students who will be applying for this opportunity, and I really hope you guys make it. You can connect with Sakshi through LinkedIn. The link is mentioned in the description below.